Distinguished audience, I am honored to be speaking on behalf of Turkish Exporters Assembly. Innovation is the key to development. Innovation has great importance of sustainable prosperity. Innovation is the driving force to shape the future. Before the pandemic, R&D investment has stable growth. We see and IP investment were at the highest level. However, in the pandemic, innovation financing has declined sharply, almost worldwide. As the GII 2020 showed that funding and support for the innovation are declining. So we need to highlight on innovation than ever before. Recovery plans, which helped us to fight the economic effects on the pandemic, put innovation financing into background. Because of that, we need support innovation today, more than we have ever done, because innovation is the key to exit in times of crisis. In the pandemic, we saw how vital innovation is, especially in the health and education sectors. We have seen once again how important to continue innovation for the benefit of all. I would like to thank WIPO for the GII that access to innovation performance of countries. Dear audience, we are glad to learn that Turkey ranked 41st in the GII 2021. We have risen 10 places in the index. It is the highest rank of Turkey since the Global Innovation Index started. We hope that our country will rise more because Turkey is 19th largest economy in the world in terms of GDP. Turkey is a country that has a share of 1% in global exports. When we look at the growth figures of the second quarter of 2021, Turkey became the second fastest growing economy among OECD countries. The driving force of the growth of the Turkish economy is export. Our annual export reached $200 billion. We believe that Turkish economy needs exports. Export needs innovation. As the Turkish Exporter Assembly, the umbrella organization of 100,000 exporters, we have responsibility for preparing Turkish industry and service sector for the future. For this reason, we give special importance to innovation. In order to increase value-added exports, Turkish Exporter Assembly support innovation ecosystem. We lead bright ideas together with the business world. Since 2012, we organized Turkey Innovation Week in order to support export growth based on innovation. During the Innovation Weeks, since 2012, we hosted a total of 710 speakers. We organized Innovation Week online for the first time in last year. 100 speakers took part in more than 45 panels. We even broke a record with 2 million views and 7 million interactions. In interactions of Turkey Innovation Week shows how great his interest in innovation is. On the other hand, with Innovalik, Turkey's first innovation development program, companies can measure their innovation capability annually. Since 2014, more than 5,000 companies applied and 85 innovative companies were awarded in Innovation Week. In the Focus InnoSuite program, which is based on university-industry cooperation, companies work with a mentor with deep expertise in innovation management to create corporate innovation system. Since the beginning of the program, a total of 24,000 hours mentoring service was provided to 155 companies. We have great hopes for the future of innovation in Turkey. As team, we know that the interest in innovation is great in Turkey. We believe in the potential of our young and dynamic population. Innovation will benefit Turkey. Innovation in Turkey will export benefits to the world. We believe that Turkey will reach a much better position in GII. For this goal, as team, we formed the Turkey GII Task Force in coordination with the Ministry of Industry and Technology. We would like to thank our President and ministries for leading these important works. Turkey rises with exports. Export rise with innovation. We invite all of you to discover potential of Turkey. Thank you.